Hello everyone, this is Miss Ivy. So now I want to conduct an activity on Form 3 Mathematics Chapter 1 Subtopic 1.2a and 1.2b. I have prepared few questions on this subtopic. The duration for this activity is around 50 minutes for you guys to finish all these questions. So before you guys do the question, I will briefly explain on the question for you guys. So now, the first question, we have two pairs, which is 3 and 4 and 5. Sorry, 3 and 5. And remember, this is a multiplication index form question, so we only plus the value of index according to the sum base. The second question here, we have two base as well. First one is U, second one is V. Please take note that this one and this index form, it doesn't have number in front of the terms U, so we have to put it 1 here and 1 here in front of U. Third question, we only got one base, which is 4/7, and the first index form here, it doesn't have the value of index, so I have to put it as 1. Next question, we only have one base, which is M, and each of the M in front, each of the M, it already have the number, so we just do it. And next question, we only have one base, which is Y, and in front here it doesn't have any number, so we have to put it 1. And this one, it doesn't have the value of index, so we have to put it as 1 as well. Next question, only got one base, which is J. And last question, we got two base, which is X and Y. So this X here, it doesn't have the value of index, so we have to put it as 1. So you guys have around 15 minutes to finish all these questions. So after this, I will explain to you guys the working step. Okay, first question we have here is 3 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 3. First step, we have to rearrange the number according to the sum base. So start from the base of 3 first, after that followed by base of 5. So after we arrange the number, we can start to plus the value of index together. We only plus the number which is have the same base together. For base of 3, we have 4 plus 4. Base of 5, we have 2 plus 3. So the final answer we have here is 3 to the power of 8 times 5 to the power of 5. Second question here, we have two different bases, so we have to rearrange the base, and together we have to separate the number with the terms and value of index. First bracket, we put in every number, and second bracket, we put in every base and the term and the value of index. First bracket, we have -1. The number of 1 here come from here, times 3 times 5 times 1. close the bracket, u to the power of 3 times u to the power of 4 times v to the power of 3 times v to the power of 3. We have to rearrange it according to the same base. Next one, negative 15 is from here, the final answer from this multiplication. And then u 3 plus 4 is from here, 3 plus 4 times v 3 plus 3. Close the bracket. Finally, we got the answer, negative 15 u to the power of 7 v to the power of 6. Next question here we have is 4 over 7 times 4 over 7 to the power of 3 times 4 over 7 to the power of 5. So this is just a simple question because we only got one base. So we only plus all the value of index together. 1 is from here, plus 3 plus 5. Finally, we have the index value of 9. Third question, the fourth question. We only got one base, which is m. Okay, so first step we have to separate the number and the terms. 4 times 1 over 2 times negative 3. Remember to put the bracket in front of here, and then we close the bracket, times the terms m to the power of 2, m to the power of 3, m to the power of 4. So in this bracket, finally we got the answer is negative 6 times m plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So the final answer is negative 6 m to the power of 9. The 9 is the final answer of 2 plus 3 plus 4. Next question is only got one base as well. So first step we have to separate the number and the unknown, the terms of y. The 1 here is from here because it doesn't have any number in front here, so we have to replace it with 1. 1 times 2 times 3. Close the bracket. Second bracket, we have the terms of y to the power of 3 plus 1. 1 is from here, and plus 4. Finally, we got the answer 6y to the power of 8. Next question here we have, it only have one base, which is j. So do it as the same. We separate the number and the terms. The first bracket we put in all the number, and second bracket we put the unknown, the terms. First bracket we have negative 1 over 4 times negative 1 over 3 times 24. Close the bracket, start with the j. J here we have the power of 2, 4 and 7, so we plus these three numbers together. And finally we got 2. The 2 here is from the first bracket, and j 13. 13 here is from 2 plus 4 plus 7. Okay. The last question, we have two pairs. So first step, we have to separate the number also. And next one is the terms. So first one, we have 12 times 1 times 1 over 2 times 2 over 3. We close the bracket. Next bracket, we start with x 5 plus 1. The 1 here is from the x here. It doesn't have the value of index, so we have to put it as 1. Next one is y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 4. close the bracket. From the first bracket, we have the final answer is 4, followed by the second bracket. The 6 here is from 5 plus 1. And y to the power of 7. 7, this one, the 7 is from 3 plus 4. So that's all for the explanation on our activity. I hope you guys understand. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.